Hey guys, Ivan here at ivanmana.com. In this video, I want to show you how to create a Google Ads search campaign from start to finish as you watch behind my shoulder in 2021. Today is January 4th, 2021 as I'm recording this video, so you will see the new interface as it pertains to the new year. For those of you that don't know me, welcome to the channel. My name is Ivan. I have been doing online and affiliate marketing for the past 4 years, running paid ads through a variety of traffic sources, Google Ads being the main one. And so in this video, I want to show you everything step by step, how to create a campaign, as well as offer any possible tips, tricks, anything like that that can help ensure your campaign success as well, regardless of whether you're an agency, you're an affiliate marketer, or whatever else you're doing. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release more videos just like this to help you succeed online. That being said, stop wasting time. Let's get straight into it. So the website we're going to be promoting is my website, ivanmana.com. So if you do want to run ads on any paid ad network, just make sure that you have something you want to promote. That's the first step. Next, just simply head over to ads.google.com. Okay, so the first step is obviously create a Google Ads account. If you have a Google Ads account, excellent. Simply click on sign in. If you don't, click on start now, create an account. Google makes it very easy for you to do so that they can make some money as well as you. You don't need a Gmail account to create a Google Ads account. You can use an Outlook or a Hotmail or whatever other email account you want. But I use a Gmail account for this just because it's so much easier to integrate services later on if you want to set up Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager, which are additional Google services that you don't need. But it's just easier if you have one kind of Gmail account to have them all together. But you don't need to have a Gmail account to create an account here. So once you follow the steps, guys, you will land on a page that looks something like this. It's asking you what your main advertising goal is. So very important here, guys. This is called a smart campaign here at the top. You see it's called smart campaign. This is not what we want. This is for uber beginners, but the issue with this is that it takes away a lot of customization and targeting options, which is what you need if you really want to make money online. All the professional marketers, agencies, everyone I know that's actually making money, they are not using Smart Campaign. This is mostly for extreme beginners that are just starting out, want to get the lay of the land, but they promptly switch thereafter. Now, luckily, you have me and other YouTube video tutorials that can help guide you through Google Ads. So click on switch to expert mode here at the bottom. Guys, this is important. You want to have all the options available. You don't want to just be paying Google money without making anything back. This is important. So don't select anything here. Instead, click on switch to expert mode. Once you do that, you will land on a page that looks like this, prompting you to create a campaign. Now, to create an account, don't worry about this for now. Simply click on create an account without a campaign, okay? So select this option and you should land on a page that looks like this, okay? So we're now over here where you can create a campaign. You might be prompted to also enter your billing information. Google does change their interface a little bit and kind of the steps that are required. But basically, if you're asked to do that, enter your billing information and you will land on a page that looks like this where you have to create your campaign. So I want to start here because this is like our central hub, okay? This will always be your central Google Ads dashboard, your main hub. You might land on something that looks like this, your overview, or campaigns, depending on what you set as your home icon right here. But I just want you to get used to this interface because this is what you'll be seeing first. So in order to create a campaign, where do you think we have to go? Well, we have to click on the little plus sign or click on here, new campaign, all right? So with Google Ads, there are 3 layers, guys. You have the campaign level where you can set your budget and your country targeting options. Then you have the ad group level right below it where you can enter your keywords, okay? This is the hardest and the heart of your Google Ads advertising where you'll be spending most of your time in. And then you have the ads where you actually create the ads to try to get someone to click on your ads. So we're gonna click on new campaign and we're just gonna fill everything, from top to bottom. So if you don't have any conversions, anything set up yet, if you're brand new, start with website traffic. And then over here, we're gonna select search. So there are many other options here, guys, but in my opinion, the easiest to start with and the easiest way to make money is with the Google search ads. So over here, now it's asking for our website. So like I said, you do need a website to promote. You can't promote just a physical location. So we're gonna head over to my website. I'm gonna go ahead and copy it. I'm gonna go back here and I'm just going to paste my website and click on continue. It might, you might see a little circle there that verifies it. Now over here, we're gonna say, let's say my name. I might already have this, so let me just say YT, YouTube, just in case. And let's go from top to bottom. So the first part here, it's asking what networks you wanna show your ads to. Now I suggest sticking with only include Google search partners. If you wanna even restrict it more, take this off, but this means that your ads will show on websites that Google is partnered with. They don't reveal all the sites, but you can click on the little question mark icon here to learn a little more. But basically, your ads will still show up on search networks. So I still use this is fine, but I would definitely deselect this option because I don't want my ads to show up on various websites. Again, I want my ads to show up only when someone specifically searches for something, okay? Next, we can click on show more settings. You can leave all of these blank, these are fine. However, if you do have a specific ad schedule, like you don't want your ads to show up on, I don't know, Mondays, you can select Tuesdays through Fridays, for example. You can set Tuesday this time, and then Wednesday this time, and so on, and just skip Monday. You can also set a start and end date. So maybe if you want to create a campaign now for next week, you can go ahead and set, okay, well, I want my campaign to start on the 11th of January, and I want it to end on, I don't know, the 25th of January. You can do that here as well. Now, for me, what I normally do is I start my campaign immediately, and then I pause it manually as well. If I see results or I think I need to optimize the campaign more, I pause it manually myself. I don't set a time because I don't know how long it's gonna take to see the results that I want. But this is how you would do it if you do want to do something like that. Next, we're gonna set our location targeting. So normally in all of my campaigns, I like to target tier 1 countries, which is the 5 countries with the highest quality of traffic as deemed by, I guess, all the marketers. Obviously, you can target whatever you want. Like if you are in South Africa and you want to target only South Africa, if you have maybe a local business, you can do that. But normally I promote affiliate products, so I want the highest quality traffic. So I'm just gonna go and select enter another location. And I'm going to enter the 5 tier 1 countries, which is United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and of course our favorite, United Kingdom. And we'll click enter. And then what you want to do, guys, is click on these location options. So like I said, I'll be giving you these little tips that cost me money when I started that I want to save you. Okay. So over here, you want to set presence people in or regularly in your targeted location. Don't select presence or interest, because then if you select Australia and I don't know, you're targeting shoes and someone types in shoes in Australia and they're not in Australia, your ads will show up. You don't want that. You want to target people that are only living in these countries, right? So you would select this option. Now there are exceptions, like if you're a travel agency and obviously your ads might be tailored to people that aren't in the country yet. In that case, you can definitely select this option, but most of the time, at least for the products that I'm promoting, which are online products, I would select with presence. So just a little tip for you there. And for exclude, you just leave it at presence. That is fine. Next, for the languages. So a common misconception is that people think that the ads will be translated to the language that they said here. Like if I said French, they think that my ads will be translated to French. No such thing. What this does is this shows your ads to people with a specific interface. So if I said English, my ads will be shown to people with an English interface. So like over here, you see my Chrome is in English. Like this is written in English, this is in English, this is tools, report, search. So that's just the language of the interface which people have, which you can target. Now audiences, we can't really do anything here. This is more so for remarketing especially. So if you click on browse and you click on remarketing or combined audiences, you can set remarketing audiences that you've created. Now this video isn't about remarketing, it's about basic search ads if you're just starting out. If you are a little more experienced though, and you do want to remarket people or you want to know how to create advanced remarketing audiences, guys, I have a course at ivanmana.com/all-courses, which covers this and actually search ads in much more detail. So take a look at that, but for the purpose of this video, we don't have any audiences, so we're gonna skip that. Next, you wanna set the budget. A common question I get is, how much should I spend per day? There is no right answer. The minimum you can spend is $1, the maximum is unlimited. I don't know what the maximum is. But the more you spend, the faster you get the data. When I first started online marketing, I started with about $15 to $20 per day, sometimes even 10. So you can start here, it's totally acceptable, but just letting you know that there is no right answer, the choice is completely yours. Next is the bidding option. So ideally you wanna focus on conversions, you wanna set a cost per conversion, and basically you're still gonna be paying per click, don't be misled, you are still paying per click, but Google's gonna show your ads to people that are most likely to convert. However, how does Google know who is likely to convert? Well, you need conversion data. So you can't really set this if you're just starting out. So what I suggest is you go with clicks, or you select a bid strategy. It says not recommended because obviously they want you to pay more. You know, some of these things you guys should watch out for, which is why I'm making this video, because some things that Google says is recommended, it's recommended for them so that they can make more money, not for you. So what you want to do here to make the most bang for your buck is select this manual CPC option and deselect this. And that way you will be paying a maximum amount per click. So if you set your maximum CPC of say 20 cents, you will not be paying more than 20 cents per click. Okay, so that's how this works. If you're more conservative in your budget, or if you want to, if you want to plan ahead and say, okay, like how many clicks can I get for this price? This is the option you would go with. Next, we can scroll down, we can click on show more settings. And then for ad rotation, so for conversions, you can leave that blank for now. I will send you to a resource that can help you set up conversions. But for ad rotation, normally the option I choose is do not optimize, because what I want is for me to be able to look at my ads and see which ads had the highest conversion rates and which ad is better. If you select optimize, what I've noticed is Google tends to shift more impressions towards the ad that has a higher CTR, thereby not giving the other ad a chance. So I would set it as do not optimize, and then I myself, depending on which one has higher conversions, higher CTR, I would be the one to go in there and change it up. Next, as we scroll down, we have these extensions. Now, these are extensions, so they're not necessary, and I'm not gonna cover it in this video because it's gonna take us in a slightly different direction. However, if you do wanna know how to improve your ads and how to make them more visible and increase your click-through rate, check out my course, guys, at ivanmana.com/all-courses, or take a look at my video library on YouTube. I cover this in some of my videos as well. So once we're good here, okay, so double check everything, make sure all the settings are good. We're gonna scroll down, click on save and continue. And now this is the heart of any campaign, it's setting the keywords. So automatically Google will provide you some keyword suggestions like affiliate programs. So it scanned my website and it gave me recommendations for good keywords that I can use. Now, let's suppose I don't want these keywords. What I'm gonna do is click on Tools and Settings here and right-click Keyword Planner and open a new tab. And generally what I like to do is spend some time here in this Keyword Planner doing some keyword research. So I would look at my website. I could either paste my website here. If I go into here, I can either paste my website here and get ideas, or I can start with keywords. So I can type in, for example, affiliate marketing, and I'd click enter. And for the location, I'm gonna change it to, well, I'm not gonna change it, I'm gonna add United States, for example. And let's just say we're just gonna get an estimated search volume for Canada and US affiliate marketing. I'm gonna click get results, and I'm gonna get some ideas. So, 74,000 people search for affiliate marketing this term per month. And as you can see here, it has gone up because of COVID. So maybe this is a keyword you want to bid on. So things like that, this is where you would do the research. Now, normally as a rule of thumb, I do like to bid on long tail keywords, long tail meaning keyword that have 3 or more words in it, because it's more specific. But this is a tool that you would use to go in here and just get ideas, things that are pertaining to affiliate marketing. So let's go back here. Now I do have a separate video showing you how to use this keyword planner for optimal success. I'm gonna link it in the description, but for the purpose of this video, let's just go with the suggestions that Google has for us. So let's start here from the top. Let's enter a bid. So remember I was telling you how much do you want to pay per click maximum. So I'm going to say, for example, let's say 20 cents. I want to pay 20 cents per click. Now, what I always tell you guys is to start low first, see what the volume is, how many clicks you get, how many impressions, how much you're spending. If you find that you're not getting enough clicks, then you can go in and increase. But there's no point in starting with a $3 bid, expanding your entire budget in 2 minutes and then not having anything else to do. So I'd always say start slow, take a look at the traffic, because these numbers here, they're not always accurate. Like it's not always $1.63. These are just estimates, guys. So take these estimates with a grain of salt, start low, and build your way up from there. So let's say we want to promote, our website is about affiliate marketing, a free affiliate marketing guide. So let's say I want to target people who are learning about affiliate marketing. So in this case, maybe for the ad group, I'm gonna name this ad group affiliate marketing for my reference later on, so that once I create different ad groups targeting different people searching for different things, I know that this ad group is specific for affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna go in here and let's suppose I wanna add, so I'm gonna remove these because some of them aren't really relevant. And what I'm gonna do is say, what is affiliate marketing? And I'm gonna type in get keywords. And what we should actually also do is let's remove this website so it doesn't conflict, and then let's click on get keywords again. And now it's going to give us some suggestions based on this term. So what is affiliate marketing? And it's really pretty much the same thing. There might be a few differences here, but these are the keywords that Google suggests for us. Now, like I said, I do like to go with long tail. So 3+ words for the best results. So affiliate, that is just way too broad. and something like this. Yeah, so you can do this. What you could also do is if you don't like any keywords, again, you can do keyword research, but what you could also do is you can just add your own keywords. So I don't like any of these, quite frankly. So for this ad group, what is affiliate marketing? I can type in what is affiliate marketing. And now I'm going to be targeting people that are typing something like this in, that are curious. Now there's not much search volume. These are estimates. It's saying you're going to get 1 click a day, or at least with this bid, but you can add more. So what is affiliate marketing? How to affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing. Okay, so again, I would use the keyword planner for this, but I'm trying to keep this video short and sweet. So I'm just gonna write some things here that I think would convert well. Now, there are different types of keywords you can add. So there is, as you can see here at the bottom, broad, phrase, and exact. So if I type keywords without any quotation marks or any square brackets, what this is going to do is if someone types in anything remotely similar to the meaning of this, what is affiliate marketing, my ads will show up. So if someone types in how to do affiliate marketing or how to do online marketing, my ads will very likely show up. If you, however, set it to phrase, which means you put quotation marks here, for example, how to affiliate marketing, someone has to type in these words in this order for my ad to show up. So if someone types in something like how to make money quickly today, our ad will very likely not show up for this keyword, whereas it might show up for this keyword because they are fairly similar. Affiliate marketing is related to making money from home. And then lastly, if I use exact match by adding these square brackets, what this does is this makes it so that our search term has to exactly match the keyword in order for the ad to show up. So if someone types in how to start affiliate marketing today quickly, our ad will not show up, whereas it might with this phrase or with the broad. Now, that being said, just something for you guys to keep in mind, Google did make a change last year or so where if you use these exact match keywords, they don't exactly have to match. So if someone types in, for example, how to start online marketing, Google might still show your ad because Google deems that online is similar to affiliate. So it kind of sucks because now if you use these exact match keyword types, you assume that, well, hey, it has to be exact. Not necessarily. Google changed it up. So just be wary. And I'm going to show you how to deal with that issue by adding negative keywords after we finish this campaign. So let's imagine these are the keywords we want to add. Because they're long tail, I'm going to remove these restrictions and I'll just say that. Now, what I normally like to do is add many different ad groups. So for example, this is about affiliate marketing. Normally what I do is add another ad group for different keyword types, different keyword ideas. So for example, this ad group we can make about make money online. And then over here, what we can do is we could set the bid to 15 cents, for example. And then here we can add keywords such as make money online, how to make money online, earn money online, things like that. So as you can see here, I'm keeping these keyword ad groups very tightly knit, very relevant to a common theme. So the theme here is what is affiliate marketing? The theme here is how to make money online. And so the benefit of this is that we can create different ads for different people. Because if we create an ad saying what is affiliate marketing, let's imagine that's our ad headline, we don't want that ad to show for these keywords because people aren't searching for affiliate marketing, they're searching for how to make money online. So that's the idea. You want to make different ad groups with tightly themed keywords, okay? So let's suppose we're good here. Hopefully that gives you an understanding of how these keywords work. And we're going to click on save and go to next step. And now this is the final step where we create our ad. And then I'll show you some additional things you have to do to improve your performance. So it right away pre-populates the ad with my website here, Ivan Mana. But what we're going to do is change it up a little bit. So for this ad group, affiliate marketing, our headline is going to be, for example, what is affiliate marketing? Or we could say free guide on affiliate marketing. Now your character limit is 30, but you can play around with the headlines, and in fact we will create another variation. So in the first headline, I like to include the keyword, what are people searching for? In the second headline, I like to include a call to action. Start now, get started now, read now, watch now, things like that. So in this case, I'm offering people a free guide. I'm saying get your guide. So I'm gonna type in get your free, let's say, guide now. And so now I'm not only using the word free, which people like, but I'm also saying get your, which is a call to action. By the way, this guide is legitimate. This isn't just an example. I am offering you guys a free affiliate marketing guide. So if you want to learn how to make money online, I've generated a full-time income online promoting affiliate products since 2017. If you want to know how to do that, what the process is like, definitely enter your name and email and I will send it to you in an email. So That being said, let's go back to our ads. Now, headline 3 is optional. Sometimes it doesn't show up. It only shows up if there's space. So here, by the way, you see what your ads will look like on desktop and mobile. So over here, for example, let's say we can write something like updated for 2021, which all my training still applies for 2021. But this headline will not always be seen. Again, as you can see over here, if there isn't enough space or if there are many more ads, you will not see it. Description 2 is also optional. Sometimes it doesn't show up if there is no space. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it for simplicity. Instead, we're just going to make our description part 1. Now, notice over here, I have all caps. You're not allowed to have all caps, okay? So we can't do that. But what I'm going to do here is maybe copy this description here and paste it here. And I'm just going to change it up a little bit. So as you can see, you have a 90 character limit. So we definitely want to remove some stuff. So I'm going to remove simply name your email and I'll send you. I'll definitely remove that. And we still need to get rid of 30 characters. So let's see what we can do here. Learn what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money with it. Again, we don't want any caps. Google doesn't allow it. Learn what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money with it today. Get your guide. So maybe something like that. What I like to do is also title case. So I would go in here and just so it gets a little bit more attention. Again, if you see here on the right, if you make it with title case, it just draws a little bit more attention, I found. And then instead of and, I like to use an ampersand. So and like that, and how you can make money with it today. Get your guide. So here is an example of our ad that we created. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click on done and create next ad. And then, like I said, we want to create a slightly different variation, right? So what we can do here is let's edit that. I'm going to go ahead and Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go back to this ad. I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to again copy. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to paste it here. Now, what I do want to change is, let's suppose instead of saying what is affiliate marketing, and actually that should be a question. Let's put a little question here. I want to do something else. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say free affiliate marketing guide. So in this case, I'm testing the word free because people like free. That's the very first thing. And for people that are searching for what is affiliate marketing, I'm offering them a free guide. What can be better than that? They will hopefully get to know everything there is to know about affiliate marketing, which they do in my ebook. But let's suppose that's the headline we want to change. Now I'm going to leave this as is. Okay. So when you change these headlines, you don't want to change everything. So if I'm going to be split testing different ads, I don't want to change headline 1 and headline 2 and headline 3 and description, because then if one of them does better or worse, I won't know what the cause of that is. Was it headline 2 which made it to be worse or better? Was it description 1? So this way, just by changing one headline, if this ad performs better, I know for a fact the reason that it performed better is because of headline 1. And then I can keep that in mind for next time as I create additional ad variations. So that is good here. Let's click done. And we've created our ads for this ad group on what is affiliate marketing. So notice how it's very tightly knit. People searching for what affiliate marketing is, we're giving them just that. Now let's look at the next ad group we created, which is for make money online. I'm not going to use the same text. I'm not going to say what is affiliate marketing for this ad group. Instead, I'm going to say how to make money online, which is exactly what people are searching for. And then over here, I'm going to say, learn how in this free guide. Okay. So again, a call to action, learn how, free, and I'm saying how to make money online. Okay. And then everything else we can keep as is. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and maybe copy this thing. Okay. I'm going to do it the manual way here. And I'm just going to paste it here. So learn what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money with it today. So this works because the keyword, how to make money, okay, make money online, or we can maybe say how to make money online. The keyword is here, okay? So let's just remove maybe this part and see, learn what affiliate marketing is and how you can make money online with it today. Okay, so just like for the other ad group, we can also create a variation. So we can click done here, and then we can edit that. And sorry, I forgot. Let's click done and go and create next ad. And then once again, we're going to click here. I'm going to Control C to speed this up, then go back here and Control V to paste. And now here we can change something up again. So some of the keywords were how to make money online or money online. So we can say something, for example, how to earn money online. So this could be our other variation. So which one performs better? Now the difference here is very minor. It's not really worth testing, but just as an example, I'm just changing something up to show you how you would go about making these variations. Normally I'd make a little bigger change because one word is probably not big enough of a difference to test it. But we're going to click done here and we're going to click save and continue. And that should be pretty much it for our ads. Okay, so let's just review it. So we're actually getting a daily estimate of 252 clicks per day. with a cost of $10 per day. So that's actually very good, but remember that this is an estimate, okay? So it's not for sure. So just like I said, monitor your account and just make changes to the bid, to the budget as you see fit. So let's go ahead and click publish. And now our campaign is up and running here on the left-hand side. Okay, now one thing I do suggest, like I told you, by the way, let me just quickly show you. Here are all the ads. Okay, and then if you want to select a specific ad group, you just select it here, either affiliate marketing or make money online. And then here are all your keywords, okay? So one thing I would suggest you guys do is if you, for example, select the campaign or select any specific ad group, is to add something called negative keywords. So like I mentioned, let's suppose you want to target someone that's typing in what is affiliate marketing, but you don't want to target people that are typing in what is online marketing. So if you don't want that, you can go into negative keywords, click the little plus sign. So again, go into keywords, negative keywords, and add an exact match, for example, what is online marketing. And so now if someone types in exactly what is online marketing for negative keywords, that thing I told you about, where anything remotely close to what they type in doesn't apply. So someone has to type in exactly in these letters, this capitalization, in this order, these letters, everything like that, what is online marketing, only then our ad will not show up. So I'm gonna click save, and now this keyword is applied to the entire campaign. So you can either apply to a campaign, or like I said, if you select an ad group, you can apply to any ad group. Also, one thing that you will wanna do when you run these is maybe create a list of specific negative keywords. So if you go to use negative keyword list, you would create one by going into tools here and clicking on negative keyword lists. And then what you can do is add a specific set of negative keywords you don't want for every campaign. For example, free or cheap or, not expensive, things like that. Now I'm not gonna put square brackets around here, which means as long as this word is anywhere in the search query that someone actually types in, well, then our ad will not show up. So you can create a list that suits you. If you are offering cheap products, then maybe you do the opposite. Maybe you do expensive, like, expensive, things like that. So you don't want to target people that are searching for expensive stuff, as an example, okay? So that's what you would do. Let's say we want to add free. I'm gonna click save. And now this free is gonna be a broad match, which means as long as this word is anywhere in the search term that someone types in, our ad will not show up. So that is pretty much it. One more thing, guys, you definitely wanna set up conversion tracking. I'll put a link to my video on how to do that with your website in the description. Take a look at that so you know how to set up conversion tracking, because you have to be able to know what works, what doesn't. Clicks alone is not enough. So once you start sending traffic, once you start paying for the ads, you will see clicks, but that is completely irrelevant unless you actually get conversions. So it's definitely a good practice to set up conversions here. If you're an affiliate marketer, you will likely have to use a third-party tracking software to track conversions. Again, I have videos on that if you are an affiliate and you cannot set up conversion tracking because it's not your website. But I do cover all that on my channel, guys. So if you head over to Ivan Mana on YouTube, I cover a bunch of videos, a bunch of content that can help you succeed and run these ads and make money. That being said, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, guys, take a look at my case study where we successfully created a campaign. I show you everything, the keywords, the ads, the landing page, everything we use to make a profitable campaign to make money. Once again, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.